So, how was your trip, Tony?
It was so much fun. What a great country. I don't know where to start.
Well, what sticks out the most?
Well, I couldn't believe how many vending machines there were. They were on every street corner. I was totally amazed. The transportation system is so convenient. The trains are always on time. Of course, I couldn't read the signs, but Japanese people are super friendly. I visited some old temples that are World Heritage Sites. The architecture is really impressive. Mr. Kariya was quite friendly. He invited me over to his house for a Japanese dinner. It was so delicious. I had to sit Seiza style, which was a little uncomfortable though.
What is Seiza style?
It's hard to explain, but basically you are kneeling and leaning back with your bum on your heels.
Ouch! Sounds painful.
Yes, a little bit. But it was really cool to experience Japanese culture.